How to use Apollo Pharmacy coupon code 2025 method. Most people get this wrong, but here's why using a coupon code on Apollo Pharmacy in 2025 can save you far more than just a few rupees. You won't believe what happens when you combine discounts, cashback offers, and loyalty points. Your total savings can add up to hundreds of rupees every month on medicines, health supplements, and personal care products. Today, I'm going to show you the complete, step-by-step method to use an Apollo Pharmacy coupon code in 2025, along with tips and tricks to maximize your savings safely and effectively. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Understanding Apollo Pharmacy coupons. First, you need to understand the different types of coupons available. Apollo Pharmacy offers several categories of discounts in 2025. 1. Promo codes. These are alphanumeric codes you can enter during checkout to get a fixed discount or percentage off. For example, Apollo 20 might give you 20% off on orders above 500. 2. Special deals. Sometimes, the website highlights offers like buy one get one or up to 30% off on specific products. These may not require a code, but combining them with a coupon can amplify savings. 3. Bank or wallet offers. Payments via certain banks, UPI apps, or wallets sometimes unlock additional discounts. For example, using a particular credit card might give 10% cashback on top of your coupon discount. 4. Loyalty points, or Apollo Privilege Program. Existing members accumulate points that can be redeemed at checkout for further savings. Understanding the type of coupon you have is key. Some coupons are product specific others are cart value specific and some might have expiry dates Missing these details is the number one reason people fail to save. Step 2. Selecting products. Once you know your coupon type, the next step is selecting products. Navigate to Apollo Pharmacy's website or app. In 2025, their interface is user-friendly, with categories such as prescription medicines, OTC medicines, over-the-counter health, supplements, personal care and wellness products, baby care and mom care items. Let's say you're looking for a multivitamin. Check the current deals on multivitamins, because sometimes Apollo Pharmacy automatically applies discounts. Select your preferred product and quantity. Always check expiry date make sure you are buying products that won't expire soon. Discount eligibility some coupons work only for a minimum cart value. Product combination some offers are valid only if you buy multiple items from the same category. Step 3. Adding to cart. After selecting the products, click add to cart In 2025, Apollo Pharmacy allows you to save items in a wishlist which is helpful if you're planning your purchases to meet a coupon's minimum order value. Here's a tip most people get wrong. If your coupon requires a minimum order, don't add unnecessary items just to hit the limit. Instead, choose products you actually need. The goal is savings, not waste. Step 4. Applying the coupon code. This is the crucial step. Once you're ready to check out, 1. Go to your cart. 2. Click on apply coupon/promo code 3. Enter your Apollo Pharmacy coupon code. Make sure to type it exactly as given. The platform is case sensitive and will reject spaces or typos. 4. Click apply You'll see the discount applied instantly if the code is valid. Pro tip: if the discount doesn't apply, check the minimum order value check. If the code is product specific ensure the code hasn't expired. Avoid using multiple promo codes unless the platform allows stacking. Step 5. Choosing payment method. In 2025, Apollo Pharmacy supports multiple payment methods: credit or debit card, net banking, UPI apps, Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, etc. Wallets, Amazon Pay, MobiKwik, etc. Here's a trick most users overlook. Sometimes, using a specific bank card or wallet offers additional discounts For instance, you might get 10% cashback on a minimum 500 purchase when paying with a certain credit card. Combining a coupon code and cashback can maximize your savings. Step 6. Reviewing and placing the order. Before confirming, Review your order carefully. Total price after discounts applied, coupon code, any taxes or shipping charges, estimated delivery date. Most people miss that some coupons exclude shipping charges so keep an eye on the final total. Once everything looks good, click place order Step 7. Tracking your order. After checkout, you'll receive an order confirmation via email or app notification Apollo Pharmacy provides real-time tracking in 2025, so you can monitor delivery status. If you used a wallet or card offer, confirm that cashback is credited according to the platform's policy. Advanced tips to maximize savings. Now that you know the basic method, here are advanced strategies to really stretch your rupees. 1. Stack coupons with bank offers always check if the coupon can be combined with bank cashback. For example, a 15% coupon plus 10% cashback can significantly reduce your net cost. 2. Time your purchases Apollo Pharmacy often runs seasonal sales or festival promotions. Combining these with your coupon code multiply savings. 3. Sign up for notifications by subscribing to emails or app alerts. You get early access to exclusive coupons and deals. 4. Check product substitutes sometimes the generic or alternative version of a product is eligible for the same coupon but at a lower price. 5. Use loyalty points if you are a returning customer, redeeming points can further lower your final bill. Common mistakes to avoid. Many people fail to save on Apollo Pharmacy due to these mistakes. Entering expired codes always check the validity date. Ignoring product-specific rules some codes work only for certain categories. Overbuying don't add items just to meet a coupon minimum. Not checking payment offers bank and wallet discounts are easy to miss. Ignoring terms and conditions read the fine print to avoid disappointment at checkout. Example scenario. Let's say Priya wants to buy the following in 2025. Multivitamin pack 600, cough syrup 350, hand sanitizer 200. Her total cart is 1,150. She finds a coupon code Apollo 15 for 15% off above 1,000. Applying the code gives her a 172.50 discount. Then, she uses a credit card that offers 10% cashback on purchases above 1,000, giving her 97 cashback. Original cost, 1,150 after coupon, 977.50 after cashback, 880.50. She saved a total of 269.50 or roughly 23% off her original bill. That's how stacking coupons and offers works in 2025. Security and safety. Apollo Pharmacy in 2025 maintains strict SSL encryption on its website and app. Using official coupons is safe, but avoid third-party coupon sites that may offer fraudulent codes. Always cross-check with Apollo Pharmacy's official app or website. Final thoughts. Using an Apollo Pharmacy coupon code in 2025 isn't complicated, but most people get it wrong by skipping critical steps like checking coupon validity, stacking offers, or reviewing final totals. By following the step-by-step guide, you can save significant money on medicines, health supplements, and personal care products without any risk. Here's a quick recap. 1. Understand your coupon type and restrictions. 2. Select products that meet coupon eligibility. 3. Add to cart thoughtfully, using minimum necessary products. 4. Apply the coupon code correctly. 5. Choose the best payment method to maximize savings. 6. Review your total carefully before placing the order. 7. Track your order and confirm cashback if applicable. In 2025, small savings add up quickly. Using Apollo Pharmacy coupons smartly can help you stretch your health budget while still getting the products you need. So go ahead, try the method today, and start saving like a pro. Your wallet will thank you.